If you're looking for an easy way to update an old sweatshirt, just get your Artspira app out and start designing. It really is just that easy. With loads of designs right at your fingertips, you can create a one-of-a-kind embroidery pattern for your project. So since I'm craving a cool, cozy vibe, I'm going to refashion an old sweatshirt with a winter theme. And all you need is your brother's sewing and embroidery machine and your Artspira app. So if you're ready, let's make it. You'll need your brother's sewing and embroidery machine, the Artspira app, an old sweatshirt, fabric scissors, straight pins, and a measuring tape. First, decide how you want to update your sweatshirt. Does it need to be cropped? Can you change the sleeve length? Or leave it as is and simply add a cool, personalized embroidery design. Decide on the placement of your design and what size you want it. And then get creative. On your Artspira app, it's super easy to navigate the different themes by scrolling through all the options, like flowers, animals, food and drinks, holidays, fashion, and more. Go to the embroidery design section. I'm selecting a design from the winter category. And because I want to wear my sweatshirt all season long, a snowflake theme is perfect. So add enough snowflakes to create the design size that you want to fit your sweatshirt. And with Artspira, you can also personalize your design with the many font options. Once you're done, hit save, then transfer it to your embroidery machine. And there you have it, a cute design made by you and ready to go on your embroidery machine. Just like magic. For this sweatshirt, I want to crop it and add the design to the center front. So by cutting up the side seams, I can easily hoop up the front of the sweatshirt and add the embroidery design. We'll finish the cropping part later. Hoop the front of the sweatshirt and load it into the machine and let the magic begin. When the design is complete, take it off the embroidery machine. But remember, you can always create more embroidery elements to add to other parts of the sweatshirt. Once the sweatshirt is free of stabilizer, lay it flat and crop the bottom. Here, I'm just removing the bottom band. Now, pin and sew the side seams, merging the seam allowance into the existing stitches under the armhole. Take it off the sewing machine and trim the excess seam allowance on the side seams. Fold the bottom under to create the hem at the length that you want. Pin in place and sew the bottom hem using a hemming stitch. Give it a quick press to finish. And there you have it, a super fashionable updated sweatshirt to stay warm and cozy this winter season. With Artspira, you can make beautiful custom designs with a little inspiration and some imagination. So be a total design pro with Artspira.